Yo guys, welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to review this MIUI TR ROM for our device Redmi Note 5, also known as Redmi 5 Plus Wings. So here you can see it's MIUI 12 latest August security patch. So in this MIUI TR developers have modded Samsung One UI icons with our MIUI 12 icons. In this side you will get this MIUI app vault which has everything in English except the health widget. Here you can see the all the apps in this upgoing manner. This ROM is already pre-rooted with latest magic through which you can uninstall the bloatwares. This comes with daily life uses apps. It comes with MIUI camera in which portrait mode is not working. As you know, you have to use Gcam for portrait because our Wins has only one camera. All the things manual cameras are working, HDR completely working good. Here you can see the status bar and notification panel is working fluently. Here is the notification panel. Let's go to the settings without further wasting time. Here you can sign into my account. Here in about phone you can see our phone is Redmi Note 5 aka Wins or Redmi 5 Plus. Here you can see it's MIUI 20.8.13 based. So when you will install this ROM, at first when you click MIUI version it will not open, so you have to install the updater app manually from APK Mirror. So here you can see it's MIUI 12.20.8.13 beta. I have 332 GB variant of Redmi 5 Plus. Here you can see it's Android P, Android security patch level is of latest. Here you can see our Redmi 5 Plus max 2.0 GHz. You can change kernel. You can see Genome CA Pi kernel, which is the very good kernel for battery, and truly speaking I have found it is the most stable ROM because it is built by completely by team, not by individual developers such as the MIUI Android Q builds. So it is very good for daily use. I have found the first MIUI 12 ROM which has a stable always on display. Here you can enable and disable it. You can enable show items. Here you can change the lock screen clock format. Here you can change the lock screen charging animation, that wave MIUI 12 one very famous one. In display you get normal things such as in all other rooms. In system font you can change fonts. In status bar you can enable and disable the, because many people don't want the new control center, so they can switch back to the old one. Here you can switch status bar layout to central clock mixed AOSP. Here you can see status bar layout change. In sound and vibration notification everything is same. In wallpapers you get super wallpaper Saturn latest one. You can also download Earth and the red planet Mars. You get pre-install some system wallpaper. These are those good wallpapers. In themes you have to go to their theme app. In password and security you get the face lock option working very well. In battery and performance here you can get battery optimization, extreme battery saver in this room. Power settings you can change performance and balance, AI preloading. In additional settings you will get the region pre as Turkey. With the help of root you can change it to India. I will later make a video on it. Here there are full screen display, button shortcut, quick ball, clear speaker. In this ROM it will play 30-second audio to clear your speaker dust. In special features you will get game turbo, video toolbox, quick replies, MIUI lab and light mode. Rest of is Google account and your all other accounts. Well, in this room, it has its own modded theme app, which is very good. Here you can set up fonts, always on, and many things. In themes lab, you can customize. In theme components, you can customize. Coming to the gallery, you will not get the sky feature. Latest with the help of root and browser, you can download the latest gallery and install. It comes with a basic skin pack, as I have already stated you. It is good. Camera to API is already installed. This is one of the best daily driver ROMs. I am using it from 2 weeks, and it is better than those Android Q builds of individual developers. So I will suggest you that if you are using MIUI 12, you must try this ROM. Later on, I will try to install MIUI NSC build and other MIUI builds. So stay tuned to my channel, subscribe and like if you like this content video. It will support me to make new content.